Did you know that turtles can live to be up to 100 years old? According to the Turtle Conservation Society website on What is the Lifespan of a Turtle that Dr. Noyak wrote in 2009, he states that it is based on the type of species. But in previous years, they have indicated that turtles have lived to be up to 150 years old. How amazing is that? If you don't recycle, their lives can definitely be shortened. This speech explains why it is important to reduce your plastic intake. I go into detail on using alternative methods from plastic, how to prevent plastic pollution, and a brief detailing on why it is important to save the turtles. We will discuss our first major problem, the use of plastic. When you hear the term plastic, it already sounds harmful. Not only does it sound harmful, but it's pretty awful to animals and to the environment overall. According to the American Chemistry Council's website, who wrote How Plastics Are Made in 2005, they explain how plastics, or polymers, are made. It is made of multiple elements like sulfur, chlorine, and nitrogen. All of these ingredients then go through a process derived from different oils or coals, creating the plastic. While the use of this material provides numerous features in everyday uses, it is hurting the environment more than it's really doing good. Depending on the type of plastic, it can take up to 1,000 years to break down in a huge landfill. That's a lot of excess waste lying around. There are many alternatives to using plastic. Now, it won't happen at once, but most restaurants, especially Starbucks for example, have started small and replaced most of the straws with paper ones. Following this great idea, stainless steel, glass with silicone lids, and silicone food bags have become a very popular choice. All of these options are reusable and they don't end up in landfills. There are so many methods to prevent plastics from polluting the earth. In this next point, I will go over how this can be done. Here, I have inserted a diagram to show you guys that the plastic ends up in turtles' guts. So here you can see the probability of death due to the plastic and the known death due to plastic. It clearly increases over periods of time. Now, I love being able to go to the grocery store and buy a case of water. It's so convenient. It is definitely easier than having to use a non-disposable water bottle and clean that every single time it's used. Stop buying the cases of water. Take that extra 20 seconds to fill up your reusable bottle. Plus, it's cheaper. In the long run, it will dilute pollution and save the environment. Recycling is another step that can be taken if you really can't live without buying the bottles of water. According to the Natural Resources Defense Council's website, Melissa Dunchak wrote, "Reduce, reuse, recycle. Most of all, reduce," in 2018. She stated that less than 14% of plastics, including the packaging, are being recycled. That may not seem like a lot, but in comparison to saving marine animals' lives, it is. Where does the rest of the waste go? Well, as stated in the previous point, it ends up in the landfills. Most of that trash, lots of polymers, can be carried away into streams and oceans from heavy rains or even overflows. Another great option to prevent pollution is to bring your own cloth bags to the grocery store. We waste so many bags to put only a few things in. 9 times out of 10, those plastic grocery bags are just going to end up right back in the trash can. Cloth bags are much more eco-friendlier and they don't pollute our water. They are stylish and affordable. Each one of these choices may seem very minute, but in the long run, you will end up saving money and helping preserve our earth. Lastly, I want to bring to your attention why it is so important to save the turtles from the pollution. Turtles are some of the most docile creatures you can come across. Not only do they help keep the reef ecosystems going, but they are pretty beautiful to encounter. According to the sources like Oceana.org, Miller, Wilson, and Maggie Coca, who wrote Why Healthy Oceans Need Sea Turtles, The Importance of Sea Turtles to Marine Ecosystems in 2004, state that Oceana is a reputable resource in which they protect the world's oceans. Turtles have tons of roles in the ocean. They can transport nutrients that are essential from the beaches and dunes back to the coral reefs. They are providers to the ocean. Turtles will maintain the beds of seagrass, be able to balance the food webs in marine life, and even facilitate nutrients in their cycle. Turtles are slowly diminishing due to human-caused threats, especially pollution. Many people have seen pictures of these creatures with plastic bags or packaging of a six-pack of Coca-Cola wrapped right around their necks. A video called Sea Turtle with Straw Up Nostril, No to Plastic, that was uploaded in 2015 from sea turtle biologists showed that there was a straw stuck in a turtle's nose. It went viral in hopes to show the world how important it really is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. As I come to a finish in this speech, I have a few last things. This speech explored the reasoning to stop plastic pollution. This speech overviewed things for us to use other than plastic, ways that we as humans can do to stop the pollution, and why the turtles need to be saved. With everything that I have stated, hopefully this will give better judgment and insight on what to do when you use plastic. Turtles have a bigger part in the ecosystem than what we think. It is important to keep the species from dying out and to help preserve our planet.